Tram vs. Nomy. This Gbas Gbos was crazy. This evening, while the housemates were in the salon, Tram and Nomy had a massive Gbas Gbos that lasted over 20 minutes. They went back and forth. Tram was talking, Nomy was talking, and neither of them was willing to back down. You can watch the full argument at the end of this video. But one thing Nomy said during the fight really caught my attention. She accused Tram of saying something along the lines of, when a girl gets raped, it's somehow her fault because of the way she looks. Now that's a very serious accusation. But I'm not going to immediately call Tram a terrible person or assume he said it. And that's because we've seen situations where Nomy has taken what someone said and presented it differently during an argument. Remember her fight involving Nomy and Ricky? Nomy told Ricky that Neche said she wouldn't allow Ricky into her bed. But when Neche was later asked what she actually said, she explained that she said she wouldn't allow the boys into her bed, not Ricky specifically. That's an important difference. Then there was the situation involving Godessa, Tram, and Nomy. Godessa, while speaking with Temi, said she told Nomy that Tram liked her, but she never said Tram sent her or asked her to beg Nomy to talk to him. Yet, during the argument, Nomy made it sound like Tram was begging her to talk to him, even saying he was begging on all fours. So we've seen examples where the original statement and Nomy's version of it appear to be very different. That is why, when she made this late accusation against Tram, I'm choosing to take it with a pinch of salt. I'm not saying Tram definitely didn't say it. I'm also not saying Nomy is definitely lying. It could be true, or it could be a distorted version of something Tram actually said. But because this is such a serious and sensitive allegation, I think we need to know exactly what was said and the context before judging anyone. So for me, Nomy's words alone aren't enough to make me condemn Tram, especially considering the previous incidents we've seen. But the Gbas Gbos itself? Absolutely crazy. Watch the argument and tell me what you think.
What's your front? You started your journey. You when you're younger. You started your journey. Like, what are your front? Okay, you're on your knees begging to talk to me. At least I don't lie. When I speak, I don't lie. Begging, literally. I can talk to you. This is what I do, you know. Shaking. Please, draw the text. No, okay. You know what's wrong with you. Draw the text. I will do that. So, this, I will do that. Bring the text. I will do that. I have a living witness. I will do that. I have a living witness. I will do that. Fix your face. Go to supermarket after getting his hair. Such a loser. Where do you go to in Lagos? You can't name one place. Oh, I just go home. I'm always at home. Oh my God. You're the definition of a loser. Tell me one thing that you're doing in Lagos that I know of. Nothing. You can't name nothing. Lagos boy. You think you're the... Talk now. Carry on. I don't call him. I really don't want to. But I'm a loser. You're really trying to do what you want. She buy your lifeline in this house. How she buy my lifeline? She's your lifeline in this house. How she buy my lifeline? Don't worry, you'll find out. Back it up. How she buy my lifeline? Back up. She buy your lifeline. She buy my lifeline. I'm done. You have you want something back? When you talk, why don't you say things that are actually factual? I told you what happened. Like, why don't you say things that are factual? It's factual. Like, you're so rude. It's factual. It's factual. It's factual. Everybody's your lifeline. Everyone knows. Anyways, prepare for tomorrow. Everyone knows. I'm ready. I'm waiting for the what's called hairdressers. I'm ready like mad. I hope you're ready, and I hope you're ready for next week. Because I'm on that ass. Maybe that. Loser. Just bring from if you have mind. quiet. Be accurate.
You lose
Be
it.
accurate.
You lose it
Be
today.
fucking accurate.
You don't just spray perfume in my face, bro. I mean, the fucking air fresh on my face.
That's good for you because you've been being stupid.
You're silly.
You have been being stupid.
You're old, ugly,
You
and
have been
silly.
being
What else are
stupid.
you?
And you were chasing me.
You're old, ugly, and
And you
silly.
were chasing me on all fours.
Also,
Begging Vanessa, let me talk to her. I want to talk to her. I need to talk to her. Begging, literally. I've been having conversation with you because of Vanessa. Yes.
Begging
You're
to come.
fucking begging. Oh, I fuck with her. I want to fuck with her. Come on. This idiot opened his mouth to tell me that. Oh, what did he even say? He was talking about rape, and he said, oh, that the girl should get raped. He sort of blaming them because of how they do. And who said that?
You get that girl what? What did she say? The girls that get what?
Come on, make me say it again.
Bro, if you're lying, stop lying. Stop lying. Stop making shit up. Stop making shit up. Everyone knows
you say that?
that you
And
lie.
then you told me I lied.
Stop
I
lying.
lied. I did not lie. Everything but a liar. I am everything but a fucking liar. This is your
What she say? What she say?
This is
What she
just
say?
said that. I'm everything
What
but
she
a
say?
liar.
What she say?
Who said that?
What did she say? What did she say?
Lie.
What did she say? Did you hear what she said?
She said that.
Did you hear what she said? What did she say?
She fucking said that. Yes, that is all.
Fucking
Because
stupid.
of the way you dress,
We
that
trying to
is
shut
what you
this
told
up
me.
for stop
And I
lying.
said, oh, and I said,
this
how
bitch
can
is
you
lying.
say that? And then he goes, okay, if you have food, and I'm begging for food, and I have not eaten, this is the analogy to use to of me. This is the fucking analogy.
You understand what she's doing? You're trying to bring a provocative topic so that everybody can watch it. This is how old you are, bro. This is how old you are. Okay, I don't know what you're saying. I'm not going to watch it.
That's what it's called. Bro, think everybody what you want.
Why look stupid to you? Why look stupid to you? Shut the fuck up and stop lying,
You're
bro.
very stupid. That's why you
Stop
want
fucking lying, bro. Stop fucking lying.
Every 2 minutes,
All
this
you
one doesn't
do
make any
is lie,
sense.
bro. All you
All I
do
do
is
is
lie.
lie.
All
What
you
am I
do is
lying
lie.
about?
Everything
What
you
am I
say is
lying
a fucking
about?
lie, bro. Am I stupid enough to talk about a topic that's so sensitive? Are you dumb? Like, do I look dumb to you? I'm not dumb. You look dumb.
You're dumb. You're dumb as fuck.
See, you know the crazy thing is, the crazy thing
You're fucking dumb.
the crazy thing is,
Roll back
for
the
someone
tape.
that tried to be on the show
Roll
for
back
4
the
years, I expect more from you.
tape.
See, for someone that tried to be here for years, I expect more from you.
Roll back the
Like,
tape.
you're grown and you're
Roll
talking
back
shit.
the
Like,
tape.
you're out here talking shit, talking about, fam, you should,
Roll back the
will I come on live to
I'm lying. Roll back the tape.
the day that somebody was using the word sexualized, I'm not the one that was saying don't use that type of word, you can get people in trouble. And this shorty is out here, see, you think you're smart, like you think you're smart, like you think you're smart, you know there are females here. What about your tape? When we did there, what about your dumb tape now? What about your dumb tape? Now is that stop fucking lying. Blue, this girl is fucking lying. Blue, do I look stupid enough to say something like that? Like, you say stop because you know there are females here. That will provoke every single person. Do you understand? Like, how will you use a word like that? Yeah. Don't begin to talk for outside that the word takes.
I was so happy.
The same time you
I
took
was
4 years
so happy.
into
Yes, and you guys
Well,
told me.
for your whole
I'm
life.
gonna fucking give my whole life. Boy, what do you know about life?
You spent your whole
What do you
20s.
fucking know about
You
life?
spent your whole
What do you
20s.
know about life? I said my whole 20s.
You spent your whole 20s trying to be on this show.
Yeah,
And then you
but
finally got on this show. And what are you doing on this show? Watching fucking toilets.
Yes.
Like, doesn't even make sense. You should be the hungriest person in here, in everything.
Why are you hungry? You look hungrier than I am.
Like, you're so retarded.
You look hungrier than I am. You look hungrier.
But you're not kept trying and 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 trying. You got it out of pity.
I got no, babe.
You got it out of pity
No,
and
babe.
hate feelings.
No, babe.
You got it out of pity and hate feelings.
No, babe.
You should get your teeth fixed too.
No, babe.
Like, don't
You
only
already
fix your
started.
hips.
When you're done.
Don't only fix your hips, fix
When
your
you're
teeth.
done.
Like, let's see
When
match.
you're done, I'll
So, let's
consider
see
it.
match.
I'll consider
Fix your
it.
teeth.
Somebody can see it.
You fix your lips. You fix your hips. Your hips. Fix your teeth too. Fix your
You
lips
do
too.
not need so much. You are begging. Begging. You know what a child does when they don't get what they want? They act out. That's what it's coming to. Acting
You are
out.
the least
You're
attractive
acting out. Okay, babe.
Like, no offense. What am I saying? Which one is no offense? I'm talking for you are the least attractive female in this house. And that's why no nigga is after you. And that's why there's nobody in this house that's after you. But you're the least attractive girl in the house. Don't you get it? Don't you get it? You are the least attractive girl. And that's why nobody's flirting flirting with you. Have you noticed this? That's why nobody's moving to you.
That's why you're
Because
flirting
your
with
knees
me.
attractive.
That's why
Your
you were
attitude is ugly.
flirting with me.
Your
That's why
attitude is
you're flirting
ugly.
with
Your
me.
face is washed and ugly.
Yes.
Like what else?
Okay. What next?
Nigga, your face is ugly. Your attitude is ugly. Like bro, I can see.
Yeah,
You
you wanted to fuck
you should have understood.
all fours.
I feel like you should have understood why you didn't accept you. There's a reason why they didn't accept you for 4 years.
Begging.
Or 5
Begging.
years.
Are you there? Accepted to go back to
Like you needed to grow up. Like you needed to grow up.
They need me to grow up.
You needed to do better. Like you needed to be smarter. You need to look better.
You're in
You
Maryland.
need to look better.
You're in Maryland. You need to come to the island. You need to come to the island and shut up.
Where are we right now?
You need to come to the island and fuck.
Why do you leave your house to
Come
come
to the
here?
island and fuck.
But why do you leave the same island? The same island, why do you leave that come here?
You need to come to the island and fuck.
If I did right.
Hey, loser.
I like.
Hey, loser, you ready to destroy you?
Bro, I don't understand. Like, see, I don't get it. Like,
What are you doing in Lagos? You're in Lagos, boy. You're claiming to be in Lagos, boy. What
Bro, I
do you
love
do?
being from Lagos. I don't understand. Shit, Lagos like
Where do you go? What do you do?
Lagos
Lagos
don't
can never
know
get
insults.
insults. I grew up
Bro, I
in
love
Lagos,
where I'm from.
really.
See, so
Lagos can never get insults.
I love where I'm from.
The place
I
to
don't
be
get it. Like,
is
that's why. Okay, now you want to add Lagos. I'm not downplaying.
I'm not playing you, bro. You're not a Lagos boy. You can never be. You're dead. Where do you go to? Where do you hang out? Who do you know? Zero. Out in the chat.
Who do I know?
Yeah, who do you know? Why you calling so sex? Answer, who do you know? Why you calling so sex? Answer, who do you know? Where do you go? Oh, I only stay in my house. I'm drinking red wine. I'm smoking weed. Bye. You're dead and run.
It's fine.
I told you your entire body is not my steady shot. Your entire
See, I'm not going to use my mouth. I'm not going to use my mouth. You understand? The day we leave this house, all your questions will be answered. All your assumptions and questions will be answered. Where do I go? You will be answered. Shit, I will come here and shout.
You like to talk shit.
I will come here and shout.
If you're about something, you have said it.
No, really, shit.
If you're really
I will
about
come here and
something,
shout.
you have said
This is
it.
why I'm
You
done.
like to
When I'm
talk
outside,
shit. If you're about something,
evidence
you
will
have
show.
said it.
Evidence will show. See, I don't need to do all this.
If you're about something, I have never named drugs. I don't say anything that is out of what
You brag about the domestic.
No, I don't brag about
Like,
anything.
you
I
literally
just
told
your
us all your,
face.
see, the things that are valuable to you, you made it obvious. You pay your rent. Wow. Nobody else here pays rent.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes,
I paid 2 rents.
Yeah.
Wow. Like, what else you want to say?
Okay.
We've heard it all. We've heard it all. You see, you know the point is, I've not answered any of the questions. Who do I know? Where do I have not answered. See, I would rather
We had a conversation. You could not talk shit. After the red wine and weed. Oh,
Do I
we didn't
come
talk to
here
the
to brag?
apartment.
Do I come here to brag? See,
What
see,
shut up? You brag all the fucking
see,
time.
you don't come here to brag, baby.
You have nothing to brag about. That's why you're not bragging.
It's
You have
fine.
nothing.
It's fine.
I told you your entire
I have nothing
budget.
to brag about.
Your entire budget.
I have nothing to brag about. It's
Your
fine.
entire budget.
You have to
Which
check.
my service.
It's
No,
fine.
no, they don't
No. Your entire budget.
I'm not.
Why are you not on the show?
I never fucking came
Why
to
are you not
be.
big brother Naija? You're so
I don't
rich.
get my money. I never came to be rich. Anybody
My
wants to
entire
talk
budget
to
is
me.
what?
I have told you my
My entire
trouble.
budget is what?
I have told you my trouble. I'm
You're
not
staying
shy
one
about
place
it.
now. Stay one place.
I'm not
No,
shy
you
about
say
my
you pay
life.
rent. No, you say you want money.
Yes.
Don't be saying they pay 2 rents. You be fashion, kini ko. Oh yeah, no.
Weren't you begging? Oh, how do I get into this tailoring? You guys are making that much money? Weren't you fascinated?
I want to be entertained.
You were fucking fascinated.
Me,
You
I
were
want to be
astonished by the shit I put.
Ah, God, this guy was me. I was stunned by the
You
thing.
were astonished. Astonished as you could not believe it.
I was fascinated by what she was. I want to be a tailor. Me, too, I want to be a tailor.
You were. Are you making all of this money?
How much do you make, sir? How much do you make?
No, don't worry.
How much do you make?
You're about to find out.
How much do you make?
You're about to find out. You're about to find
How
out.
much do you make?
You're about to find
How
out.
much do they want me? He said,
That's what you were telling
how much
me.
do
I
you
can't
make
make this shit
now?
up.
How much do
That's
you
what
make?
you were
Wait, how much do you
telling
make?
me.
How much do you make? How much do you make?
Roll back the tape.
Is your budget? My whole life is your
Yes,
budget.
I didn't think the whole
Take
life.
it up. What's it
Your
up?
budget is
Okay.
my service charge.
Okay, how much do you
I
make?
can't tell you that for free.
Okay, how much do you make? Tell the top nonsense.
This is Big Brother. Housemates. The salon will close.